Welcome to Crypto Space Junk. I'm just doing a quick market update here. So when I last came on, I was looking at Bitcoin probably being a Friday, dropping down 29,000. It doesn't look like it's going to happen today, maybe. But who knows when it comes to Bitcoin. You just suddenly you think everything's going good, and then suddenly you'll get candles like this. So I'll look at it anyway. So weekly, we got a big hammer on the weekly last week. We broke above the weekly high this week. Let's see if there's anything else on the indicator. So we've got the hammer. You see the buyers coming in here. We'll have a look at the fib here. I like to use fibs. My favorite tool. So last week, buyers come in, the 88% retracement. Yeah, we'll go down, drill down to the daily. Okay. Got an outside bar hammer. It's actually the Trading Walls Nirvana pattern. That's the Trading Walls indicator that I'm using. It's interesting that we've gone back up. We broke out of the outside bar there, and then we're starting to go back up. Which, if I take it down to the fib now, buyers started coming in at the 38. We went down to nearly the 50% retracement. I want to have a look here. Is that if we do break out of this trend line here, I think the best way to take this move would be so was to reverse this trend here, consolidation we've had over the last few weeks, would be, I reckon, to see where would come if we break through this tram line. Now, I think we might hit quite high on here because that's a big sell-off. That happened very quickly, and usually price pulls back. So if I take the fib from so, I mean, it's Friday. Usually, market's quite red, but today we've got a green Friday. But this could change as soon as the US market opens at 2 o'clock. Have a dramatic effect, especially with things like Facebook losing 29 billion yesterday over their user data. But I mean, I'm finding Facebook a bit boring. I don't go on it as much anymore. The main, what I call now the mainstream media, has now gone into the mainstream social media, and I might as well sit there watching Sky News. I'm not allowed to say opinions or voice opinions without being blocked, so there's no point. Now, if I can see us going over break through this trend line, I can see us hitting at least this 786 retracement, which would probably be, if I take the extension here, probably a 38% extension, I would presume. Same level. Yes. So you got the 38% extension. Well, the 786 is actually also 27% extension. So if we break through this trend line, I can see us going into this region. Then we'll pull back. Move some of this so it doesn't. remove one of them all. Right, so we'll remove it. So we're probably going to come up to like 41,000. Pull back on the spot probably around the 38, and we'll go forward if we are going to do a turn bullish, and then we'll probably go to the regions. Look here. $618.50 will bring us in line to this resistance here. You see how you can use the fibs, how you can paint the picture with the fibs. This is why I love using them. They always seem to come in. And they come in because people put the algorithms to sell at these zones. So the robots are going to start automatically selling there, and then they're programmed to pick up at another fib point. And this is how it works. I mean, most of the time I'll look at these fibs, think I'll hold on and think I wish I just sold there. I mean, you can look in to see if we started up here, and if we got inverted hammers and stuff like that, you can see the exhaustion of the move. There are things to look out for. You see down here on the daily, it didn't look like there's any exhaustion. When we came down, we had a hammer here, doji, and then we came back down. But like you see here, inverted hammer, bang, we're down. Inverted hammer here was replaced with something that I'd say looked like stronger hammers. All the way along here. All the buyers are coming in here. But there, not so many. Here, we're having buyers. So yeah. I've actually changed, but the thing is we could just break this line. People start jumping in and they pull the rug, and we come back down to the 29. I mean, we're so close to it, I can see it actually coming in. But I don't know that for a fact. At the end of the day, we've had an 80% retracement from this position here all the way along. So, I mean, that will show that we're still very much bullish if that comes in. I mean, we did 10% more. That move. Yeah, so we hit the 10% extension. Be interesting if we go up to the 10% again, then come down again. Would make a massive sideways move there. Be very interested. Kept doing this for a while. And like this. That would be quite massive accumulation. But I doubt that's what will happen. Okay, I don't like predicting Bitcoin, but that's just something to go off. Today, we're having a bit of a green day. I think the alts have lost enough value, so I'm not expecting if Bitcoin to drop now down to 20,000, that much of an impact, especially on the good names. Cardano, still painful. Now, I really was expecting to have a good month with Cardano, but we still can. If you look here, still picking up before we're back in them regions again. They start picking up. We came a lot further down than I thought we would. Even if we go up and put a 10% in like Bitcoin did. That is it there. We go up and hit the 10% extension. 226% from where we are at now. Now I thought with Sundaeswap coming out, we would have had a bigger move on Cardano, but we haven't. But it's only in beta. Now, I did an order because I wanted to try their platform out, and it's never gone through. I'll go to there. See what it's saying now. So what I want to do was try staking. I only sent a small amount to this wallet because I'd never used it before. I think I sent 100 Cardano there. We enter the app. See, last time I looked and connected, this is a week ago. I haven't had much time to have a look at it or play about with it. I want to do a video on looking into this more. If I connect my wallet. Okay, so if I look inside the wallet, if it's updated it. No, so that means my order's probably just still sat there. See, I'm just having this awaiting scoop. So for me to try out the staking, I'm going to require both currencies. And I've not been able to change to Sundaeswap at all. I'm probably going to cancel that order and then try again if I ever look to see. The annoying thing was, initially, it was like when I came on, when I had the opportunity to come, it was like 4 Sundaeswap to 1 adder. Now when I did that last order, it was like 1.2. I can only see it being even less. Well, let's all look. There's 1.5. I mean, when I put that order in, it was like 172. Very first order I put in was 4.2. Then I did it again, and none of them have gone through. And I get the. Sorry, I didn't do it again. It didn't work at all last time. But you see here, this one was at like 4.2. So I'm not overly disappointed because I was only going to put a small amount to test it, see how it goes on. I was really looking forward to this one, but as it says there, it's the beta mainnet. So I mean, Cardano is massive. So yeah, you could expect it to be this way. I don't think it's anything negative, especially when they're still testing it. So right, I'm gonna have a look into this awaiting scoop, and I'll have a look if any other questions anyone wants me to answer. Please comment below. Thank you.